Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, honey.
You are up early.
Yes, big day today.
Oh, what is happening?
Just lots of work.
Coffee is ready.
Smells really good.
Here is your cup.
Thanks, you were sweet.
Do you want toast?
No time for toast.
Why the rush?
Meeting at 8.
Okay, drive safely.
Wait, one question.
What is it?
Any plans tonight?
Tonight? Let me think.
Will you be home?
I have yoga class.
Oh, right, yoga.
I will be late.
That is fine.
Why do you ask?
No reason, just asking.
Okay, then go now.
See you tonight.
Have a good day. He thinks I forgot. I did not forget.
Hey, Tom. Nice tie.
Thanks, Dave.
You look happy today.
Yes, I am happy.
Any special reason?
It is my anniversary.
Oh, congratulations. How many years?
10 years today.
Did you buy a gift?
Yes, everything is ready. I ordered red roses. They are her favorite, and I booked dinner.
Where are you going?
The new Italian place.
That place is fancy.
Sarah loves the vibe there. It is very romantic.
The food is amazing, too. Try their grilled steak.
Is it good?
Yes, and the seafood.
Sounds delicious. I want to try that.
Did you tell her?
No, it is a surprise.
She will love it.
It will be perfect.
Good luck, my friend.
Hello. Can I help? Yes, I am looking. I need a man's watch. Is it for a gift? Yes, for my husband. What style does he like? Simple and classic. Maybe with the blue face. How about this one? Let me see. The design is beautiful. The quality looks great. It is a famous brand. It must be expensive. We have a sale today. The price is very good. Really? That is lucky. I will take it. Do you need gift wrapping? Yes, please wrap it. We have different papers. Do you like gold or blue? He likes the color blue. Please use the blue paper. Sure, no problem. He will be surprised.
The bus is late again. I hate waiting here.
It is okay, Tom. It is only 5 minutes late.
But I am very busy. I have no time for anything.
What do you want to do today?
I want to study English, but I need 2 hours for that.
2 hours? That is a very big plan.
Yes, I never have 2 hours, so I just look at my phone.
Are you learning English on your phone now?
No, I'm just watching funny cat videos.
Oh, Tom, you are meeting a time thief.
A time thief? What is that?
It is something that steals your time, like social media.
You are right. I feel tired after I watch these videos.
Look at me. I'm using my pocket time to learn.
Pocket time? What do you mean?
Think of time like small coins. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there.
So waiting for the bus is like a small coin.
Exactly. Do not throw the coin away. Use it.
But what can I do in only 5 minutes?
You can make a tiny plan. Don't say, I will study for hours.
What should I say instead?
Say, I will learn 3 new words while I wait.
3 words? That sounds like a piece of cake.
It is. When you have a small goal, you don't feel stressed.
I see. It's like a GPS. I need a clear address.
Yes, study English is too vague. Learn 3 words is clear.
Okay, I want to try. Do you have a notebook?
I have one right here. Do you want to see my words for today?
Yes, please. Oh, these are good words.
Now you're investing your time, not wasting it.
I feel better already. I'm not angry at the bus now.
Time flies when you're doing something helpful.
You are right. The bus is here and I already learned 2 words.
See? You don't need 2 hours. You just need a tiny plan.
Thank you, Sarah. Tomorrow I will bring my own notebook.
That is a great idea. Let's get on the bus.
Sarah, I am back.
Sarah, why so early?
No time to explain.
Is something wrong?
No, everything is fine.
You are changing clothes.
Yes, put this on. Please dress up nicely.
My red dress? Why?
We're going out.
But I planned dinner.
Forget about cooking. Just trust me.
Okay, give me 5 minutes. Where are we going?
It is a surprise.
Is it far away?
About 30 minutes away.
That is quite far.
But it is worth it.
Please drive slowly.
Don't worry, I'm careful.
You look very handsome.
You look beautiful too.
I like this song.
I played it for you.
Can I guess the place?
Go ahead, try to guess.
Is it the French Bistro?
No, not that one.
Are we going downtown?
Maybe yes, maybe no.
You are being mysterious.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, a little bit. I almost cooked lasagna.
Save that for tomorrow.
Look at the city lights.
They are pretty tonight.
Wait, I know this road.
Do you recognize it?
Are we going to Mario's?
You are very smart.
I knew it.
See, we're here.
Wow, it is crowded.
I booked a table.
You planned this?
Yes, for weeks.
I thought you forgot.
How could I forget? Happy anniversary, Sarah.
Oh, they are beautiful. Red roses, my favorite. I have a surprise too. Here, open it.
A gift for me?
Yes, go ahead.
A watch. It is the blue one.
Do you like it?
I was looking at this. It is perfect.
Put it on.
Look, it fits well.
It looks handsome.
Thank you, honey.
Thank you for dinner.
We made it.
Made what?
10 years together.
Yes, 10 happy years.
Shall we order food?
Yes, I'm hungry.
The menu looks great. What do you want?
I want the steak set.
Good choice. I agree. And some red wine?
Yes, let's celebrate.
To us.
To us forever.
Elena, my head hurts. I think I am going crazy.
Oh no, why? Are you okay?
I am trying to learn all these grammar rules. They are so difficult.
That book looks very thick and boring, Mark.
It is, but I want to speak perfect English, so I must study it.
But you look very unhappy. You're pushing yourself too much.
I feel like a child being shouted at. Do it perfectly, don't make mistakes.
That is the problem. Your brain hates constant stress.
But I must work hard every minute. I don't want to waste my life.
If English feels like a punishment, you will want to run away from it.
So what should I do? I need to learn.
You need to make it a game. Connect English to things you already love.
Like what? I don't have many hobbies.
Well, you love music, right? I always see you with headphones.
I love classic rock. I listen to it every morning.
Great. That is a perfect way to learn.
How? I just listen to the melody.
Print the lyrics, the words of the song. Sing them in the shower.
Sing in English? My neighbors will think I am strange.
Who cares? Copy the singer's voice. It is fun and you learn new phrases.
That sounds much better than this boring book.
Exactly. When you have fun, you stay with English longer.
Okay, I will try that. But I still feel guilty when I'm not working.
Why?
Because I think rest is wasting time.
Mark, that's not true. Think about your phone battery.
My phone? It is in my pocket.
If the battery goes to 0, the phone stops working, right?
Yes, it dies. I have to charge it every night.
Your brain is the same. Rest is charging your battery.
So sitting quietly is not wasting time?
No, it prepares you to use your time better later.
I remember now. I tried to study late last night, but I learned nothing.
See? You spent 2 hours, but your battery was at 1%.
You were right. I should have slept instead.
It's all about balance. A little work, a little fun, and a little rest.
I think I should call it a day with this grammar book.
That is a very smart choice. You look much more relaxed now.
Let's put the book away and listen to a song on my phone.
That is music to my ears. Let's do it.
Thank you, Elena. I am going to be a kind coach to myself today.